Right here I have this 8-in-1 electric cleaning brush. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, show you everything it comes with, and then I'll show you how it works. This is everything that came inside the box besides the user manual, and I'm just gonna kind of go through what each of these things are. This is the actual motor to the cleaning brush right here, so you can use this as an actual handheld device and just scrub doing it that way. This would be perfect if you're scrubbing something more like a bathtub, something that you're in closer contact to, maybe your grout on your kitchen counter. And I do wanna show you this does have a power button right here and then a spot for the charge cable right there. And right down on the bottom is where you're actually gonna connect the handle. This entire thing is waterproof, so you can continue to use it if you're using water, especially in the bathtub, or you're using this for more of a mopping situation. You don't have to worry about the motor getting wet or anything like that. This is where you're gonna attach each of these different heads right here. These pieces right here are the detachable telescopic handle right here, and it's made out of aluminum alloy, so it's gonna be nice and strong. This can actually extend up to 55 inches when they are all pieced together, which is really, really long. And I do like that the very top part does have an ergonomic handle right here, just for a little bit easier control. This also comes with a little charge cable. This is just a USB to Type-C charge port. This does come with a carrying bag for all of these different heads here. And this also comes with a wall unit, so you can actually assemble this and just have it hanging on your wall so that it's ready to go when you need it. You can hang the actual device itself with the whole rod attached right here. And then you can actually have all the different pieces inside this storage bag and hang it on this hook as well. So I do like that option. It does have a little adhesive strip back here. You can just peel this off and stick it onto your wall. I'm gonna go through each of these different heads and kind of explain what you might typically use them for. This one right here is really curved and bristly. This is gonna be perfect for something like a bathtub with rounded edges. This large piece right here is gonna be great for like your bathroom floor and through bathroom cleaning. Basically, just anywhere that you're gonna use a flat, large surface, this is gonna be perfect for that. This smaller flat piece is gonna be perfect for your kitchen tile, your kitchen grout, your kitchen sink, something like that, a little bit smaller surface area. This piece right here is gonna be good for corner cleaning. That can be the corner of a bathtub, or if you have a sink that comes to a corner, that'd be perfect for that as well. This piece right here is meant for window cleaning. It kind of has a microfiber texture, and this one is used for polishing and waxing. So that might be used, for example, for like your car windows. This piece is going to be used more for heavy oil stains, like right around your gas stove when you take the coils off. This is where you might want to use something like this, something that you might really have to scrub on. And lastly, this one right here is going to be great for your car surface. So this is going to be just washing the outside of the general part of your car. So now we go to attaching each of these pieces. You can see each of these larger brushes, they're just going to attach directly to this motor piece right here. They're just gonna attach right on here, and then you pull it right off when you're done with it. So that's for all of these. And then as far as for these little bit thinner pieces, you're actually gonna attach this piece right here, and it has a really strong Velcro on this side. So we just click this piece on, and you can select any of these little brush heads, attach it, and then you can go ahead and use it. And then once you're finished with this, you can just take it off, you can wash it, and put it back where it goes. That goes the same with all of these. You can just attach it to this little Velcro pad. Okay, I really like how nice and versatile all of these different pieces are. All right, and then to remove it, you just pull it right off. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out since I'm just gonna be doing it on the countertop right here, but I do wanna try it out on a wide surface. So we're gonna go ahead and click this one into place. So now it's ready and clicked into place. Something that I do like about this clean scrubber here is that it actually has two different speeds. You have your initial 400 rotations per minute when you turn it on, and that's gonna be good for removing stubborn dirt. If you wanna go a little bit, maybe you wanna push a little bit harder and have it go a little bit slower. And then you have the faster speed that's gonna be actually 450 rotations per minute, and that's going to be more for a quick clean. So right away when you turn it on, it's gonna start on the slower speed, and you can see the battery power right here. And this is the fast speed. And then when you push it for the third time, it just turns off. To attach it to these extension pieces, you're just gonna screw them together. So this one, we're just screwing it in right here. Okay. And then to add the second extension piece, we're going to screw this piece into here. So you can decide if you want to just use it right at this height exactly how it is. That's perfectly fine. If you are maybe a little bit taller or you're trying to scrub something that's a little bit further away, maybe the top of your car, for example, you can just twist this piece right here and you can actually pull it out as far as you would like it. And like I said, it does extend to 55 inches. Now that I'm ready to try this out, I'm just gonna be using this in the handheld mode right here for the countertop. And I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of dish soap on the countertop, just like that. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of water. And I just wanna see how this suds up. So I'm gonna turn on the slower mode first. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna turn on the faster mode. All right, you can see how much more that suds up on the little bit faster mode. That is amazing, and that's gonna be so useful, especially cleaning out hard to scrub places like the sides of your bathtub.